Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, WYY just filed an 8K reporting on their annual stockholder meeting, and there is one outcome that matters for the company's future direction. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company voted on its directors and auditors, and the results give us a peek into shareholder sentiment. This is WidePoint Corporation, a company in the information technology services sector. They had their annual meeting of stockholders on the 17th of June 2026 to vote on a couple of important things. The big news from this filing revolves around the votes cast by the shareholders for the company's board of directors and its choice of independent accountants. First up, Proposal 1 was about electing a director. Shareholders had to vote on a nominee proposed by the board. This nominee, Phil Garfinkel, was up for a 3-year term. Looking at the numbers, there were 2-6-2-7-3-2-3 votes in favour of Mr. Garfinkel. However, a significant 1-7-2-8-4-4-2 votes were withheld. This split indicates that while the nominee did get elected, there is a notable portion of shareholders who either had reservations or were not satisfied with this particular choice. It suggests a divided opinion among the owners of the company regarding leadership. A large number of broken non-votes, which are shares held by brokers that did not receive instructions from the beneficial owner, also participated. These amounted to 2,2,2,9,765 shares. Next, Proposal 2 concerned the ratification of the company's independent accountants. The board had chosen Baker Tilly US LLP to handle their audits for the fiscal year ending the 31st of December 2026. Shareholders overwhelmingly approved this choice. We saw 5985455 votes in favour of ratifying Baker Tilly US LLP. There were only 528,398 votes against it, along with 71,677 abstentions. This strong approval for the accounting firm suggests that shareholders have confidence in the integrity and oversight provided by external auditors. It is a positive sign for financial transparency. Importantly, there were no broken non-votes on this proposal, meaning most shareholders who had their shares held by brokers had their votes counted either for or against. The rest of the filing is mostly procedural, confirming the submission of exhibits and the standard signature block to attest to the accuracy of the report. It is like the company's legal team signing off, making sure everything is on the up and up according to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. So, what does this all mean for WidePoint Corporation? The election of a director with a mixed vote is something to keep an eye on. While the director was elected, a substantial number of withheld votes could signal underlying shareholder concerns about company strategy or leadership effectiveness. On the positive side, the strong ratification of the accounting firm indicates trust in the company's financial reporting processes. Given that WidePoint is a technology company with a market cap around $151 million and recently landed a NASA vehicle deal, shareholder confidence in leadership and transparent financials is crucial for its growth trajectory, especially as it benefits from increased federal spending. The risk I am watching is whether the divided sentiment on director appointments will translate into future governance challenges or strategic disagreements. What I am actually looking for is continued positive contract wins and clear communication from the board to bridge any perceived gaps with shareholders. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this analysis valuable, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord community.